Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to show you how to Bluetooth connect your mobile phone to the car. So I'll also show you how to connect to Android Auto. Now it's relatively easy to do. There's a few ways we can connect the Bluetooth by just tapping on the phone or Bluetooth audio. However, if you're having troubles to connect, it may be because if you go into your settings and you scroll down here to Bluetooth, in here you've got a list of 5 phones. Now you can only actually have 5 phones connected to the car, or 5 devices, so you may need to delete some old ones. So then we go back to that home button and back to where we started, and then we're just going to go and tap on phone, and it will tell us that there's a lot of phone connected at the moment, so we're going to pair device and then hit next. That now brings up all of the relevant information for our phone, so we're going to unlock our phone. We're going to go down to our Bluetooth and we're going to set it to scanning, and then mine's already found Bluetooth down the bottom there for Mitsubishi Motors Bluetooth. So I'm just going to click on that, and now that is pairing. I'm just going to hit pair. Now it should come up with another couple of prompts about sharing your messages and also your contacts, so I'm just going to allow on that. And there we go, that looks like it's actually connected already. So now we can go into phone, we can go to contacts, we can read we've got our favourites there as well, and we've got our settings. Now this is now connected our phone. We can also use it for Bluetooth audio. It may take a second. So that's now got the audio off my phone. And next I'll show you how to connect to our Android Auto. And to do this we still need to use a cable. So go ahead and pop that cable into one of the available USB outlets, and the other end obviously into your phone. Like that. And now that will start loading Android Auto. It's now saying Android Auto is available on the car. So we actually have Android Auto connected there. So we can tap on there. And now we can just use our maps. We can just use Google to search as well, and that is how we've connected our Android Auto to the car. Well, there you go, that's how to Bluetooth connect and also go onto Android Auto on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.